Hello everybody, and how are you today? I hope you're doing fabulous because it's a fabulous day. Now, if you have nails that are brittle and dry and they flake and they crack, you know how horrible that can be, right? But I have a solution. I found the solution for dry, brittle nails. So if you want to know how to get healthy nails, just stick around. As I've been getting older, my skin has gotten drier, my hair is drier, my nails also got drier. I was surprised about that. I always had healthy nails, they were always long, and all of a sudden I started getting little like ridges, and they would flake and they'd split, and it was really, really bad. I couldn't have long nails because they would just flake and split. And then I tried so many different products. I tried very expensive nail polish because I figured, well, maybe I'm using cheap nail polish and that's just ruining my nails. I tried not painting my nails, and that really looks ugly, but nothing would help. Even if I didn't have nail polish on my nails, they would still be very frail and brittle. So I went to the beauty parlor to have a manicure and a pedicure. And the lady said to me, do you want to try a special treatment for your nails because they're really damaged? And I said, okay, yeah, of course. Of course I want a special treatment. And she used this product that I'm going to show you. And it's called Jessica, okay? I think this is from the UK. So she used this product. It's called Jessica, and it has 3 steps. The first one is your base. Is this the base? You know, they're so small. The letters are just tiny. Yes, this is the base coat, and it is for dry nails. And then it has this Brilliance High Gloss. And then it has this one, which is the one that I'm totally in love with, which is the Phenomen Oil. Phenomen Oil. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Phenomen Oil. Oh, yes, it's phenomenal. Oil. Okay, I get it. Took me a while. Wow, took me a long time to get that one. Oh my gosh. All right, so these come in a little set. But I'm going to tell you something. If you don't want to get the little set, even though I recommend that you do get the little set, please, if you have dry, brittle nails, you've got to try this Phenomen Oil. This is great. This stuff is fabulous. I'm going to show you what I do. They say to put it on around your cuticles only, but what I do is I put it on my entire nail. I have a day of the week that I always save to have no nail polish. And on that day, wake up in the morning, take off my nail polish, or I take it off the night before, and I stay the entire day without nail polish. And then I apply this to the entire nail and I massage it in. Massaging is excellent for you. I am a big advocate of massages. Massaging is so good for you. Now, when you massage this area around the cuticles, you're going to stimulate circulation. That's going to stimulate growth. So your nails are going to grow more. But this oil has sweet almond oil, jojoba oil. I'm going to list the ingredients for you so you can see them. But the oil is what is going to make your nails healthy again. It's just fabulous. And it has a delicious scent. That's my favorite scent. I love almond. Oh, it smells so good. So this has cured my nails. It really, really has. And the extra oil that you have, you can just put it on your hands, because it's very moisturizing. It's very good for you. So my nails are in much better shape than they were before. I can paint them because they're longer and they don't flake. This is just fabulous. I really love this product. I think that if you have nails that are brittle and you try this, you're gonna be very happy. What I do is that entire day that I choose as my no nail polish day, I put this on whenever I remember, at least 4 times. I put it on and I massage it in, and my nails have gotten so much healthier. So I hope that you try this if you have nails that are brittle, because you're going to be happy. You're going to remember me and you're going to say, wow, thank you. And yeah, I hope that you like this video, and I hope that you subscribe. But more important than all of that, I hope that you have a day filled with peace, love, and joy. Bye-bye.